Hello and welcome back to this channel Aviation In. My name is Sering Tob. I'm an Aerodrome Ground Aids Inspector. Today I would like to talk about the declared distances. These aerodrome data are so important that they are mentioned in the ICAO NX 14 Volume 1 that these distances must be calculated through the nearest meter or put and published for runways that are intended for use by international commercial air transport. So these distances are the takeoff run available, the TOR, the takeoff distance available, the TORDA, the accelerate stop distance available, the ASDA, and the landing distance available, the LDA. So before going in details through these four distances, let's have a look on two associated surfaces that are the stopway and the clearway. These distances are used to calculate the ASDA and the TORDA, so we'll see it further in this presentation. The stopway is defined a rectangular area on the ground at the end of the takeoff run available that is prepared as suitable area in which an aircraft can be stopped in the case of an aborted takeoff. And it will look like this on the area. So just at the extremity of the takeoff run, you see the stopway here. The width is the same as the width of the runway, and the length will depend on the runway type and aircraft performance, and also the characteristic of the area. The clearway is a defined rectangular area on the ground or water under the control of the appropriate authority selected or prepared as a suitable area over which an airplane may aim a portion of its initial climb to a specified height. And you see on this illustration that the clearway origin starts here at the end of takeoff runway available. So the length of the clearway should not exceed the half of the length of the takeoff runway available, and the width also depends on the type of the runway. For example, instrument runway, the width must be at least 150 meters, and for non-instrument runway, the width should be the width of the runway strip. The four distances are defined as this. The takeoff runway available is the length of runway declared available and suitable for the ground run of an airplane taking off. And for the TORDA, the takeoff distance available is the length of the takeoff runway available plus the length of the clearway if provided, as I said earlier. So the accelerate stop distance available, the ASDA, is the length of the takeoff runway available plus the length of stopway if provided. The landing distance available, the LDA, is the length of runway which is declared available and suitable for the ground run of an airplane landing. So how these four distances are defined? Okay, Bonnie. So these four, sorry for this, of our kids went to bed. So these four distances, are defined depending on the case or as appropriate. For example, here for the first case, when there is no stopway, no clear way, no displaced threshold, the four distances are equal. So the chord, the ASDA, and the LDA are the same. Here the threshold and the end of the runway are located at the same place. So when there is a clear way, the chord, the ASDA, and the LDA will be the same, but the chord will be the chord plus the clear way. So when the runway is provided with a stopway, so the chord, and the LDA will be equal, but the ASDA will be the chord plus the stopway. When the threshold is displaced, so here we have the chord, and the ASDA that are the same, but the LDA will be impacted and it will be reduced by the length the threshold is displaced. For example, if the threshold is displayed to 100 meters here, the LDA will be the chord minus L minus 100 meters. And the final case, when the runway is provided with a stopway, a clear way, and a displaced threshold. So here the five distances will be impacted: the LDA, the ASDA, and the chord. The LDA will be the chord minus the displaced length, and the ASDA will be the chord plus the stopway, and the chord will be the chord plus the clear way. So, for instance, here we have two runways, 09 and 0927, and runway 1735. In the first runway, so we have the different cases: stopways, clear way, displaced threshold, both sides. So the way it's presented, so you see here, for example, on the publication AIP, Actual Information Publication. So if you see here, for example, on the runway 09, the chord is 2,000 meters, the ASDA 2,300 meters, the chord 2,508 meters, and the LDA 1,850 meters. So, for example, displacement here is 150 meters, so the LDA will be the chord minus 150 meters. That's why it's 1,850 meters. So the same also in the OZKFU 27. So 2,000 for the chord, 2,350 for the ASDA, 2,250 for the chord, and 2,000 for the LDA. For the second runway, you will see for runway 17 there is a mention NU that is not usable, not usable. For example, if the in one direction the runway is not usable, so I mean you will not be able to define the total or the total the LDA. Here, for example, in the runway 35, the LDA is not defined here. The LDA is not defined. For example, for operation reason, it's not possible to land from the QFE 35. So this is an illustration you can find on the attachment A of the ICAO Annex 14 airdromes. So now let's have a look on some info about our airdromes. In our main airdrome, which is Airborne International Blaise Diagne. So we have on both sides of QFU 01 and 19, you will have the stopway which defined 120 meters. Yes, so here you have us presented on AIP. You see for the runway 01, the total is 2,500 meters, the total 2,700 meters, the other 2,620 meters, the LDA to 3,500 meters. Knowing that the clearway is 200 meters and the stopway 120 meters. On the runway 19, you will have, let's say, here for example, you have the clearway which is 100 meters and the stopway 120 meters. For the new international, not international, but the new airport, Ousmane Masseck Ndiaye, sadly you have the two thresholds that are displayed to 290 meters, and here the LDA is impacted. So the whole length of the runway is 450 meters, and the LDA will be 2,450 meters minus 290 meters. So the LDA is 2,160 meters for each runway. So thank you very much for watching this video. So I come back, I tell you, see you next time for other items on all this topic. Thank you very much.